Assalamualaikum, hi guys, welcome back to my channel Waji Reacts. Okay, so today I am going to be reacting to another request by Secret Name, who requested this a while ago. I just noticed this. It's a video of Burung Hantu singing Hanya Satu. Oh my god, I need to watch this. That song is high. Let's go. Oh my god, even her low note is so crispy. Like the autumn leaves in the background. Mmm. Oh, her own twist. Mm. She has her own voice. You can hear her voice. Ooh. Ooh, nice twist. Mm. Wow, you go girl. Mm. Yes, I'm listening. Okay. Scary part. Wow. Oh wait guys, I need to listen to that again. That was crazy. Yo. Woo! So good. Ooh. Did I just hear that? Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Mm. That was so impressive. That was so good. I don't know the reason why she picked this song, because I rarely hear anyone bring this song to a competition or just for the sake of singing it. Very rare, you know. So that means that she knows her voice can bring this song, and she knows her voice suits this song. If you hear her voice and Datuk Nora's voice, they both have this very clear sound, clear, sharp kind of sound, like both of their voices. But what I'm hearing, like the difference, is that Hana Delicia's or Burung Hantu's, her voice has, like, she adds a little bit more detail in between, like the vibrato, the, you know, the little details in her voice. That's what separates her from Datuk Nora. Maybe it's just a singing style choice. I just love how she knows she could bring this song, and she add a little bit of her own flavor to it. I know this song by heart, as you probably saw. So I know the changes in the way that she sing the song. And I'm sure you guys too, if you guys know the song. She made the song her own, and I thoroughly enjoyed that. I really did. That was so good. Oh my gosh, she never fails to blow me away. I mean, I know she can sing, I know she can perform, but to what extent she can impress me always exceeds my expectations. It's always like, okay, I'm always like, okay, it's Burung Hantu, it's Hana Delisha, she's gonna perform, but then she outperforms and she goes beyond my expectations and blows me away. So I've been checking her out and stuff. I mean, her work, and somebody needs to give her a lot more work so I can enjoy it some more. Sorry, Hana Delisha. Please do more work so I can enjoy reacting to your performance or to your song or whatever you're gonna come up or whatever you had come out with. Yeah, I'm gonna really like dig and, you know, get to the bottom of Hana Delisha's work. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the reaction. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.